Greetings. I am a digital representative of GFE Solutions, and let me tell you how our numerical simulation services will take your business to the next level. When you hire us, you will know if your structure or product will bear operating loads, if distortion will be permanent, if buckling or vibrations will be your future issue. Simply, you will know how a part or assembly will perform over its lifetime. We will make you foresee potential failures of your product before releasing it, cut your prototype and testing time and expenditures, reduce material use. So don't waste time. Be equipped to eliminate uncertainty and spot any vulnerability in your design with our detailed visualizations. Then use new data to make new improved design. Show us your case, and we will recommend which analyses will add you most value and why. Let's harness the potential of finite element analysis, computational fluid dynamics, and multibody dynamic simulation for your engineering endeavors.